होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी। ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा, ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. We, the entire team of Franchise India, welcomes each one of you to our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, which is totally customer-centric. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us, because we have helped more than 5,000 international and national brands to expand their business with our 80 plus offices. And we have helped more than 78,000 investors in getting the business solutions suggestions from our side. With this introduction, I invite and welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir, who is the chairman of Franchise India, and Sonia ma'am, she is a founder of Franwork. And today, during the course of the webinar, they'll be talking about the industry and sharing their insights. This particular webinar is a digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you, and we do not endorse any particular brand. During the webinar, we shall try to cover the business model, financial model of the brand from brand side, so that you get a correct and complete understanding. But before I invite and welcome the brand for the day, I would like to invite Sonia ma'am to talk about the Advantage program which we have started for all our investors. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining in. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Archana, and a very good afternoon to all of us. And in fact, we just concluded with our Investor Advantage program about 5 minutes back. And friend, this was the program that Franchise India works, where we communicate with every investor who's evaluating or thinking of buying any opportunity. And especially in times like these, we understand these are uncertain times and the stakes involved are higher. And so the importance of informed decision making is even higher than it was before. And being an investor centric and franchise focused company, we've always felt that we wanted to advise prospective business as an opportunities, and most importantly, how they can evaluate what is right for them. And hence, through these advisory sessions, we help you take an informed decisions, where our teams at Franchise India, through our direct offices, through our independent franchise India, they communicate and they also work with you on these no obligation meetings. And at the same time, if you are looking at maybe an extended solution, which is personalized solutions, we also work with you for a period of 6 months to 1 year, where you can get registered with us. And at Franchise India, we have a very structured process and assessment tools that we take into consideration when we advise you on this. And typically this IA session would include your self-evaluation, where we work with every investor to find and evaluate what traits are right for that particular business, which includes your own knowledge, आपका खुद का experience क्या है, what is the ability of meeting any challenge that the business might possess. So we work with you on that. Second, we also give you insights on the industry and the market assessment. We work with you on industry and market. Fourth, we also work with you in giving a complete analysis of competition and analyzing the credibility, background, and the offering of different companies in the same category. And lastly is brand assessment. The brand assessment typically would mean that people behind, it also includes maybe the prototype of the brand, the performance of the company, how their performance has been in the markets where they're operating. So all these 5 assessment tools become the basis or the foundation of the Investor Advantage program, which you can take benefit of, and you can reach on the hotline number of Franchise India, where we can also block a no obligation session. Every day we're doing these no obligation sessions with investors across the country. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कोई business खरीदने की, अगर आप अभी भी नहीं करना चाहते, 1 महीने बाद या 2 महीने बाद भी अगर आप सोचना चाहते हैं, आप नो ऑब्लिगेशन मीटिंग के लिए हमारे साथ रीच आउट आप कर सकते हैं. We'll put our hotline number. If anybody is keen to understand and brainstorm with us, we'll be happy to put our time with each one of you. And Archana, can I just request now you to please invite our brand for the day, and Mr. Saurabh Pradhan, welcome to the webinar, and over to you, Archana.
Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for welcoming all our guests and sharing the insights with us. Now we invite and welcome Mr. Saurabh Pradhan, who is representing Clinify, the brand which has a vision of providing germ-free environment to each one of us. They are known for their professional quality, best product, and easy and affordable partnership. And they have presence with some well-known clients, educational institutions, and corporate hub. Thank you so much, Saurabh, for sparing time today and joining us to represent your business model. Now you can share your screen so that we can have a formal presentation from your side.
Thank you, Archana, for the nice welcome. Hello.
Yeah, thank you so much, Saurabh. Saurabh, can we just go for full screen? We can see the screen and we can hear you.
Yeah. Should I switch on my video as well?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Should I begin?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is hale and hearty amidst this pandemic. And so before I begin this presentation, I hope everyone is safe, and I hope my best wishes reach out to people who are recovering these days. And with this, I begin today's presentation. Yeah. So before telling about the brand, let me shed some light about myself. So I'm Saurabh Pradhan, founder and CEO of Clinify Solutions. Yeah. So I have been active in this sanitation industry since the last decade, and with all the cumulative experience I've gathered over the last 11, 12 years. So with the onset of the pandemic last year, I thought to launch this company to cater to the needs of the pandemic, which was growing very rapidly. And we thought we'd be a good solution provider in this pandemic and do our bit to limit the spread of this pandemic. So this idea led to creation of this company called Clinify Solutions. So we began our operations in May last year, and since then we have been growing rapidly, rather exponentially in the northern India region. And to share our developments and to share and to expand in a more rapid manner, we want to associate with the prospective franchisee partners so that we establish our footprint very rapidly in the country. And let's begin with the presentation. So yeah. So about Clinify, I have already told you that this is primarily a disinfection service providing company, and we have launched last year. And since then, we have been moving in this segment very rapidly. And we have also tied up with major corporate brands and hotel chains, which we'll discuss in the presentation later on. Yeah. Yeah. So what do we do? Yeah. So we at Clinify try to provide a germ-free environment. That is our prime goal. That amidst this pandemic, as we know that this virus is spreading very rapidly, and most of the businesses and residences are being affected by this thing. So our goal is to eliminate this virus and to create a germ-free environment, whether it is your home or office or malls or any place. So our primary goal is to contain the spread of this virus in this pandemic. So something more about us. So what is our team doing? So our professionals are trained as per COVID-19 national guidelines and guidelines for disinfection. So what this means is our team is trained as per the WHO guidelines and as per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare guidelines that is advised for the containment of disinfection. Rather, we have a team of doctors in our we have a team of doctors in our group who have prepared these guidelines for our technicians to go through, and by following these guidelines, they have achieved a very high success rate in this disinfection process. Rather, the team of doctor also trains our technicians in PP kit donning and doffing. That is the correct way to don wear the PP kits, and to how to dispose it of, how to wear the gloves and all the protective equipment such as the respirators and all these stuffs. And moreover, a significant fact which I would like to bring out in this thing is, despite being in operation in this field for the last 1 year, and despite serving n number of customers over this duration, the surprising fact is not a single individual of our, not a single technician of ours has been infected at workplace because of these high level of preparedness and these high standard of safety gears that they wear and they're trained to use. And coming to the next point, we'll be discussing the machineries and the equipments which our team is using. So our team is equipped with state-of-the-art ULV cold fogging machines and atomizing machines, which are the best-in-class machines available globally in the world these days. So primarily, the ULV cold fogging is our primary weapon these days against the disinfection process, against the virus spread, and useful in the disinfection process. So this machine is actually a ultra-low volume cold fogging machine. So apart from other companies who are using makeshift machines and pesticide sprayers, we are not engaging these kind of stuff. We have specialized machineries which are specifically designed for disinfection process. And with these machines, we have a very good coverage and very effective mechanism. And with this, we cover a very large amount of area in very short duration of time, and rather very effectively. Unlike the other conventional sprays, we are not spraying any chemicals. So with these kind of machineries, we actually form a mist kind of, we use a mist kind of mechanism, wherein the area which is to be treated is completely treated with a mist kind of a mechanism, wherein each and every surface which comes in contact with the mist gets coated with the disinfection spray. And ultimately, all the areas which are in contact gets eliminated with the virus. So this is one of our significant processes where we are using top-notch machines that are globally available in the world these days. So let's move to the next slide. Yeah. So what are we promising here? We are promising professional quality guarantee. As I have already mentioned, that our technicians are trained as per the WHO guidelines and the highest available standards globally available. And rather, we have a team of doctors on our board who have advised the correct procedure, correct mechanism for this treatment process. We have also consulted some virologists in the scenario, wherein as per their guidelines, we are conducting this disinfection mechanism. And other thing is we guarantee that we are using the best products available globally again. So we are using top-notch chemicals which have been imported from USA. And these chemicals are tried and tested and rather certified for use against the novel coronavirus. So why I'm using the word novel coronavirus is a very old thing. Novel coronavirus means the new strains which are coming these days. So these our chemicals are very, very much effective against these strains of virus. And we have proven results, or rather certifications to prove that our chemicals are, and the processes which we are using are extremely effective against the elimination of these strains. And second is we offer a multitude of payment options ranging from various payment gateways to various flexible plans. So there is the convenience with the customer that they can choose to pay by various modes of payment, and as per their flexibility, So we have as far as payment plans, we have various payment plans as well for regular customers, daily customer, for our regular customers, recurring customers, as well as one-time customers. So we have an array of payment options so that we don't miss out on any customers because of the payment issues. So let's talk about our services. Here we'll be discussing about our services in detail. So we are catering to all the institutions. We are taking care of residential services, commercial services, vehicle disinfection, industrial disinfection, malls, retail areas disinfection, cinema halls cinema hall disinfection. Rather, we have done a lot of these cinema halls, auditoriums here in this Delhi NCR region. And so let's talk in detail about the services in detail. So these are our services. First of all, the service is preventive disinfection service. So what we do in this service is that this is kind of a preventive mechanism wherein when a customer is moving to a new property or a new office, or just for the sake of prevention, or rather we are providing the services in several salons and shops, wherein as a preventive measure, the customer seeks this kind of services, where we do a preventive disinfection services, eliminating the chances of virus or the microbial agents present in that area, and further eliminating the spread of that same pathogen. So this is pretty much about the preventive disinfection service. Next, coming to the next services, it is aftermath disinfection service. This is an advanced version of the preventive disinfection service only, but here we are taking utmost precaution. And this service is in demand when we know that there is a known COVID case, or there was a positive reported case. In that case, the service is used. In this, the chemicals and the process is nearly the same, but we take utmost precaution that each and every corner of the area which is to be treated is covered. And moreover, our technicians take highest protection measures while conducting the service to ensure that they are not infected, and also the complete residence or the area which is to be treated is eliminated of this virus. This service is pretty, unfortunately, with the spread of the virus these days, this service is pretty much in demand these days. Rather, we are working 24/7 these days to cater to this service with the rise in the cases. And this service is very effective these days when we know that there was a certain person in a household who was infected, and let's say the person has been shifted or has been isolated in a room, but still then the other members of the family are at a very high risk of contaminating the virus from the surfaces or the areas which the patient has used. So this service comes in pretty much handy in controlling the spread. And this is an excellent service, and we are providing these services on a regular basis these days. And I think it is a very big tool in controlling the spread of the virus these days. Yeah. Second, the third service is our 90-day disinfectant nano coating. This is one of our premium services. I'll be discussing this services in detail in the coming slides. And the next is also 5-year disinfectant surface coating. This is again a flagship service of ours, which I'll be taking up in the next slide, as it needs to be discussed in detail. So I'll be discussing that later on. And the next one is microbial surface testing. So what we do in this thing is we provide surface testing facilities. Let's say you have an office space or a home or a clinic. So in this, we reach out to your location, and we provide a live surface testing at your place, wherein we have a surface ATP meter. That is a device which is used for testing the viral or the microbial load on any surface. So in this surface, a client gets to know about the viral load or the microbial load present in the surface of his clinic or home. So in that way, he gets to know about the viral load of the surface instantly. And we take this, we take a swab in front of the customer, and within a few seconds, the result comes out instantly in front of the customer, mentioning the microbial load. And accordingly, we recommend the type of disinfection service that needs to be delivered there. This service we are regularly using among in food sector and in several clinics and in hospitals, wherein the frequency of the disinfection treatment is decided on the basis of the viral load, as which we determine on the basis of the surface testing by this machine. So this is a very top-notch professional solution for professionals, hospitals, clinics, food industries, wherein they need to regularly monitor the microbial load in the surfaces and the machines they are using to prepare the food product. So this is the service which is pretty much in demand in the industry. And the last one is vehicle disinfection. So we do also provide vehicle disinfection services, wherein your car, your van, your commercial vehicle is disinfected. In this, let's say a person has been tested positive with the virus, and the other member of the household wants to use the same vehicle now. So in this service comes in very handy in order to disinfect the vehicle. So what separates us from others in the service is many of other competitors are providing superficial disinfection services for vehicles, but they forget one important fact here, that they might be cleaning the visible surfaces, but in a vehicle what happens is the primary viral load is in the HVAC ducts, that is in the air conditioning ducts. When a person is traveling the car and using the air conditioner, the virus and the bacteria get deposited in the air conditioning ducts, and these ducts are not taken care by most of the people. So, but in our service, in our detailed services, we take care of these ventilation ducts as well by a special mechanism, by a special machines in which a complete surface of the car along with the ventilation system gets disinfected, and there is absolutely no scope of the microbial agents present anymore in the car. So next slide. Yeah. So what's our forte and what kind of advantages is our company Cleanify Solutions is offering these days? So we at Cleanify Solution use most advanced machinery along with highest grade of environmental friendly chemicals to disinfect your premises. So as I already mentioned that we are using the best in the class machineries that are globally available, and along with that, the chemicals which we are using, they are US EPA certified, that is the United States Environmental Protection Agency certified chemicals, which are tried and tested to kill the coronavirus, and they're perfectly safe for human use, and that is they do not have any side effects and they do not have any residual effects. So these are completely safe for the humans, pets, for everyone. The only thing that needs to be worried about this chemical is the microbes and the virus. So this is about the safety of the chemicals and the top-notch machines that we are using to deliver the chemicals here. And apart from that, as I have told you earlier also, we have a team of expert technicians who are trained under the guidance of practicing doctors as in to how to deliver the disinfection mechanism and how to take care of themselves personally by donning and doffing of PPE kits, wearing proper protocol of wearing gloves, and how to which areas to cover in a home, and how to discharge the disinfectant in a place where a person is affected. So in short, our technicians are very highly trained, and that too we have trained our technician in very short duration of time. And the second thing is we use multi-step approach to eliminate the pathogens from common touch points and frequently used areas. What this means is we have identified, along with our team of researchers, we have identified the common areas which are the carrier of the pathogens and the viruses. And there are certain areas in your home, such as the door handles, door knobs, toilets, so which are the hotbed of viruses. Along with our team of doctors and virologists, we have identified these areas which are to be catered specifically, or rather they are to be treated in detail. So we do not miss out any areas because we have done our extensive research in this thing, and we are pretty confident with our mechanism that when we are done with our disinfection process in a premises, so there is absolutely no scope of further spread in that area. And Below some of our highlights about our mechanism, as I've already informed that we are using EPA-approved COVID-19 chemicals, and we are following the highest of WHO protocols and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare standards. And we are using the most advanced machinery globally available in the world. We are not using makeshift machines or temporary machines or pesticide sprayers to deliver our chemicals. We are using foolproof, tried and tested machines which are in use globally in top-notch institutions. So already I have mentioned that we are using environmentally friendly chemicals that are completely safe for humans, surfaces, and even for pets. Even if the surface gets coated on the eatable or food items, then also it is completely safe. So this is about the safety of the chemicals which are using. These are completely eco-friendly and biodegradable as well. Yeah. And the next point is that our professionals are extremely trained, and they come equipped with the personal protective gears, and we use top-notch PP kits along with respirator masks. So that is why that is one more reason that our none of our staff has been infected at job sites till now, despite delivering thousands of services till this date. So the safety of the individual which is delivering the treatment, as well as the residents or the premises where we are delivering is of top-notch standard, because we are maintaining these standards with our top-notch personal protective equipments and several other gears. And the last and the important thing is economical pricing. Our pricing is very economical, which any individual can afford, and we have multiple pricing schemes as well for our regular users as well. For, let's say, for some of our salon users, they have opted our services for weekly services or alternate day services. In certain offices, we have tied up to every week, every week or every Sunday we're disinfecting their premises. So we have very economical pricing and multiple payment plans, as well as multiple service options. So everyone remains happy this way, and we fit in to budget and the need of every customer this way. So let's talk about our pricing strategy. So as these three are the key industries as of now, so we are catering to home, offices, and industries. For home, our basic services starts at around $499, and it goes up depending upon the size of the property. For villa, for a farmhouse, the prices go up. For a small apartment, the prices are as low as 499 rupees. And for offices are becoming a hotbed of infection these days, as because in a confined environment, lots of employees from different areas of a city are sitting together. So ensuring their safety is a very important factor these days. So we have multiple options, treatment options for the offices. And for offices, our prices start as low as rupees 1 per square feet. And we do offer certain discount benefits to our regular customers as well, and our customers who have opted for monthly plans as well. So we have a wide number of discount options and payment plans for them as well. Industries, industries, again, large number of manpower, large number of skilled, unskilled manpower works in a confined environment or in a single machine. Several people are using the same machine, and same buttons, same buttons, same keyboards, same processor are being used by multiple people. So the chances of getting infected are pretty high in these areas, because the touch points are very high in these areas, and the contact frequency is also very high in industries. So again, we are working with several leading industries in this region, several factories where we have tied up with them to deliver our disinfection treatment plan at their premises. Again, the prices are at around 1 rupee per square feet. And for our regular loyal customers and the customers who have opted for a plan, we offer special discounts for them for their continuous loyalty with us. Yeah. So as I had earlier mentioned you about our 90-day disinfection plan, as I told you that it is one of our premium plan. So I'll be discussing, as I told that I'll be discussing this in detail. So here it is, the complete slide about this. So our this is one of our premium plans. This is called Hygiene Plus. So this is a revolutionary plan. This is one of a kind solution that we are offering here in India. So what this process is, let's talk about that. So Clignify Signature Hygiene Plus 90-day process plan uses MAP1 germicidal coating with electrostatic spray technology to enable a quick and effective chemical application for a area. So what this means is, this is a revolutionary technique wherein we use a special chemical which has been developed by Hong Kong University, and this is recognized globally that this chemical is effective for killing viruses period up to 90 days. Yeah, yes, it's right. It's up to 90 days. It protects a surface which has been coated by this chemical by up to 90 days. So in this mechanism, what we do is we use a cordless electrostatic sprayer machine. It is a pretty revolutionary machine, top-notch, best in quality, and this uses the principle of electrostatic spraying, wherein whether you are spraying from corner of a room, that the particles of the disinfectant get charged and gets coated to every inanimate surface in the room, every non-living surface in the room. So in very short time, it gets attached or attracted to like a magnet. Let's say a magnet attracts iron filing. So in a similar way, this process, the disinfectant is charged and gets coated to each and every surface which is being treated. And the chemical MAP1, it is a revolutionary chemical in the world, because it is one of a kind chemical which offers 90-day disinfection properties. And once you coat a surface using this machine and with this MAP1 chemical, the surface gets disinfected and becomes germ-free for a period of up to 90 days. So this is a very revolutionary technology, and we have delivered this technology to certain clinics and certain corporate houses, wherein for them to get their office premises disinfected on a regular basis is very difficult. But when they opted for this treatment, and they can go as long as 90 days without disinfection. So this technology is pretty much a game changer for them, though it is a bit pricey. But if you look at the overall price that you need to do disinfection only for one time for the period of 90 days, so this becomes quite cheap. So this is very much in demand services for corporate houses and clinics these days, and we are actively delivering the services these days. Yeah. So when I was saying that the service is effective, this treatment or this disinfectant is effective for a period of 90 days, don't take me for my word. I have attached several global reports from various laboratories across the world, proving the efficacy of this product, that this product is effective for eliminating novel coronavirus for a period of up to 90 days. So I have attached multiple test reports from various laboratories across the globe, from ALG Canada to Australia to Hong Kong, proving that this chemical is effective for coronavirus on surfaces. So don't take me for my word, because this is many of companies are present in this. They claiming that their product is effective for 10 days, 15 days, 30 days, but they don't have any efficacy certificate or test reports to prove this fact. But here we are presenting these test reports from leading global laboratories to prove our point. Yeah. And the last service in our forte is the 5-year antimicrobial coating. This is the flagship service of ours. So this is the service we have brought in India by tying up with Dr. Hadolas of Japan. And this is a revolutionary service again. So what we do in this is a high purity nanoglass coating developed in Japan with excellent antiviral and antibacterial effects. And the effect of this coating lasts for up to 5 years or more. Yeah, you heard it right. It lasts up to 5 years or more. So this is the revolutionary technology which is actively being used in Japan these days. And once a surface gets coated with this thing, the effect can last as long as 5 years. So this chemical is definitely a bit pricey, bit costlier, because it has effective shelf life of 5 years. So this chemical we are using in high-end hotels and several areas where there are high touch points, or where there are surfaces which are touched in a very high frequency. Let's say this chemical we are using for vending machines, for ATMs, wherein n number of users touch that same keypad in a day. No one knows if the person is infected or not, but you can see in an ATM the keypad is being used by at least 100-200 times in a day. So for these areas, or let's say door handle in a hotel or in a lobby, where the door handle is constantly being touched by every customer passing through. So in these kind of surfaces, this treatment is very much effective, and the results have been overwhelming. And for very high contact areas, this product has been be a game changer till now. And though this is a premium product, but the effectiveness, and if you compare a cost value analysis, the value is significantly higher of this product, and this product is really a game changer product. And this product is only available with us here in India. And since we have specifically tied up with this Japanese company, and we have brought out this company here in India along with their Japanese counterparts. Yeah. So next slide. So let's talk about our clientele. So as you see, these are some of our clienteles which we have associated with them in the recent past. And as you see, a major chunk of the clientele is from hospitality and industries. So you see, hospitality industry, there is a very high demand of disinfection, because you see in a hotel room, when a guest checks in, he needs to be secured about his safety, that when he's entering a room, though the room looks clean, but has that room been disinfected, or is the room hygienic enough, or maybe the sheets are clean, but how does he get to know that the room has been disinfected? So herein we pitch in our services. So we have associated with some of these leading hotel chains such as Taj, Selections, Shangri-La. So wherein we have deputed our manpower at their premises itself, wherein before a guest checks in, or after a guest checks out, and after the room has been cleaned, we do disinfection of the room, the complete room, and every touch point in the room, so that when the next customer comes in, he feels absolutely safe and secure using the premises. And with this, there is a sense of safety among the users of the room and the clientele. And with this, we have noticed significant rise in the occupancy of the rooms as well, because there is a sense of safety in the mind of the customers who are coming to this hotel, and they're finding out that this room has been disinfected. And how do they get to know that this room has been disinfected? We at the door handle, we provide a disinfection sticker of our company, that our company along with the hotel has disinfected this room as per the highest of standards. So that gives a sense of safety to the hotel user, and he feels absolutely safe entering the room. So this service is pretty much in demand. And apart from that, we have associated with several industries, factories, wherein since there is a large foot flow of factory workers, and in a small area, thousands of workers are employed, and same machines they are using, they're eating in a common canteen, and they're using the same water cooler. And so we have noticed this trend that when someone is infected in a factory, even if the person is has taken a leave, or he has isolated himself, still the virus keeps on spreading in that industry, because the several surfaces which has come in contact with the person keep on transmitting the virus. So in that way, we play a significant role in disinfecting the surfaces of the commonly touched areas, and all these surfaces which are being commonly used by the workers. So in that way, we are very much effective in neutralizing the spread of the virus in these industries and with these corporate houses. So now we'll be discussing about the commercials and the market scenario. So let's talk about the market size. The global distribution market was estimated to be valued around $30 billion in terms of revenue in 2019. But this is going to change drastically with the onset of the pandemic. And the future, as if we talk about the future projection, the market for global disinfectant is forecasted to surpass $49 billion by 2027, witnessing a compound annual growth rate of 6% between 2020 and 2027. So this pandemic is acting as an accelerant or catalyst to this industry, and this industry is shooting up like anything these days. And what are the major growth factors for the forecast period? Increasing incidence of infectious disease. Not only corona, people are getting aware of various other infectious disease as well these days, and they're getting since the onset of the pandemic, they are gathering much information, they are getting knowledgeable day by day. So there is a general sense of awareness in the customers. Let's say even if the pandemic gets over, the use of hand sanitizers and disinfectants will be continued, because now the user is aware, much more aware as he was before the pandemic era. And with this, the market of the disinfectants is definitely bound to grow exponentially. So let's talk about the breakup of the industry. So wherein where is the market share of the disinfectant industry? Primarily, it is 56% in healthcare, followed by health and beverage, food and beverages, chemical processing, and last is others, wherein it comes out to be offices, residences, vehicles, all other things. But these are the regular projections. These days, the demands are really high for this other segment, which is shown in a small histogram in this slide. But these days, the other segment is catering catering for the major demand these days, as in the pandemic the caseload is spreading like anything. So we are getting ample opportunities from each and every sector these days. So let's talk about the global disinfection market and the effect of the pandemic. As you know, the pandemic has completely changed the situation, and the governments in different countries are focusing on ensuring safety of the people and to enhance their medical facilities for treatment of COVID-19 infected patients. And to neutralize this rapid surge, the governments are also investing a significant amount of their budget towards the disinfection process. As you might be aware that many government agency has robbed in several agencies to sanitize the streets, the government buildings, the government hospitals. So this the demand for this industry is shooting up because of these factors, and this will continue to grow because even with the onset of the vaccine and all things, we are not in a position to eliminate this virus completely. So this demand will continue to grow over the next couple of years, unless and until there is a single strain present till that date. So now we'll talk about the franchisee proposal. So why do we need a franchisee? So to be very frank, I never planned for a franchisee model, but since we began our operations, I kept on getting calls from various parts of the country, though we never even advertised outside of this Delhi NCR region. I kept on getting calls from Kota, from Bangalore, from Chennai, from Kolkata, that we want to associate with you and we want to work like you. But since at that time I didn't have a franchisee model or a correct platform, but after associating with Franchisee India, we developed a franchisee model catering to the need of these cities. So because of these demand, because of these calls, I thought of expanding this company and catering to all other parts of the country. So that is where the idea of the franchisee generated. And the further goal of this franchisee is to achieve pan-India penetration, because to be frank, I cannot cover the whole country in a short duration of time, because I cannot match the rate of pandemic. The virus is spreading in a very rapid way, and in a very same time we need to move very fast. And individually or with a certain number of people in our team, I cannot cover the whole country. And with that, this, I need association of you people to reach into tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities, and to expand our footprint all across the country, because this virus is not limited to metros. They're spreading everywhere, and these services are required each and every part of the country these days. So the franchisee model, with the franchisee model, will be catering to each and every corner of the country with this thing. And again, to expand our association with existing clients to other locations across the country. So what this means is, as I've told you, we are working with large corporate chains and large hospitality chains. So with this, what happens is, I get a call from the general manager of a hotel here in Delhi that do you provide your services in Kolkata, or do you provide your services in Ujjain, because we have a property there. And the manager of the hotel was asking about these kind of services, and we have to deny them at that time that no, we are right now present in this region only. So we have constant inquiries from our existing clients for their other locations present in other parts of the country. So with the franchisee partners, when our franchisee partners are present with us, we can cater to different properties of our existing clients as well. And again, to avail benefits of pan-India composite contracts. See, if I'm approaching a single hotel property, I'm able to cater to that property. But when we have presence all across the country, or let's say even in 10, 12 cities, so what we can offer is, we can offer them a composite contract for 12 of the properties. And with that we can cater to all the properties which are present all across the country. But that is only possible when with the support of our franchisee partners. So we are constantly getting bombarded by the inquiries of our very same the existing clients which are present in Delhi NCR region for our services in other parts of for our services required in other parts of the country wherein their properties are present. Next. So let's talk about a client target based. So whom do we want to target? So we have discussed that whom we are targeting, and we'll be discussing here that what is the client base which are to be targeted. So let's say these days schools are closed, but ultimately the schools are going to be open, and school is one place where the parents needs to be completely safe, ensured about the safety of their children. So this is one region where our services can play a very effective role. So when the school opens, we can we are already in talks with several leading schools of the country, wherein rather we have provided our services there as well. But unfortunately, the schools shut down again. So here, what we have proposed them is a regular service, wherein after the school hours are over, or every day after the classes are over, our team reaches there and disinfects the complete property. So the next day, if some child was infected and he is not coming to the school, but let's say he has been exposed to the environment, so the next day the other children who reaches the property, that they're completely safe of the spread because of the spread of the virus, because of the contamination of the surfaces. Again, the second target base would be the coaching institutions. As you know, in a coaching institution in a small confined area, lots of students are sitting together. So again, it is a hotbed for viral infection. So these are our prospective customers, because when these coaching classes open, they need to be disinfected on a regular basis, so that no one catches the virus from the surfaces or from the surrounding. Okay. And the most important player in this thing is the hospitals. We are right now associated with many hospitals in this region, and we are continuously, our team is going to the COVID wards and the OPDs, wherein we are disinfecting the premises regularly, wherein every day our team visits the hospital and disinfects the property, so that when the next patient reaches in the next day, they know, they're assured that they're sitting in a safe environment, or they're touching a table or touching a doorknob which is completely safe and sanitized. So hospitals are a very big player, and a major chunk of revenue comes from this sector only. Offices, as you know, when the offices open, they need to be disinfected on a regular basis. Customers tend to opt in for alternate days or a weekly Sunday to Sunday disinfection process, so as to reduce the chance of a person getting infected from office premises. Homes, as you know, we are regularly targeting the homes, whether they are whether as a preventive mechanism or as a aftermath disinfection process, wherein the person has been infected and we reach after then and disinfect the home completely so that no one else catches this virus. Again, the next thing is cinema halls and auditoriums. We have done when the cinema halls reopened and auditoriums reopened, we have done a lot of disinfection in these cinema halls and auditoriums. After a show and after a play, our services are required in these areas. So we are regularly associated with these bodies as well for disinfection. Factories, we are already catering to the needs of the factory, as we have already discussed. And the last one is the vehicles, as we have already mentioned that we are disinfecting small, large vehicles, buses, ambulances. Also, in a recent incident, I have got a call from a person who wanted to disinfect a complete bus. They wanted for a wedding, so we have disinfected that as well. And as I already mentioned you that we do detailed disinfection services for the vehicles, wherein we cover each and every corner of the vehicle along with the ventilation duct, that is the air conditioning duct, which is the hotbed of the virus, wherein the virus or the bacteria gets stored in the air filters of the air conditioning unit. No one really caters to that, but we give utmost importance to that as well. So this pretty much covers our client base. So now let's talk about the franchisee business proposal. So this is the business model of ours. So wherein with a very minimal investment, you can become a partner with us, and with an investment of a couple of lakh rupees, you can get associated with us. So we have kept a threshold. We have kept this investment threshold to a minimum because we want to expand very rapidly, because it is not a very because the pandemic is spreading very fast and we need to establish a footprint all across the country in a very short duration. So that is why we have kept the investment threshold at a very minimum. And as you can see, the return on investments are quite high. And apart from that, you don't need any, we have taken the investment cost on a higher side here only. And apart from that, you don't need to put in much of investment. You don't even need a proper, you don't need a showroom or a proper office. You need a very minimum space, or rather you can operate for your home itself. And you don't need much of a storage space as well. And the machines which our technicians are using, that can be easily carried over a motorcycle. They have been packed in a compact manner, that way in a small bag. Rather, we'll provide you with the kit wherein machine along with the disinfectant gets compactly fitted in a small bag, and the person delivering the disinfection treatment can carry it very easily in a motorcycle, and very swiftly he can deliver that. And only a single person is needed to deliver this treatment. And the payback period starts just after 5-6 months, and the return of investment is, as you can see, is very high. And we'll talk about the projections also in the next slide. And as you can see from this slide that with very minuscule investment, you can become a part of this very booming business, which is very much in demand these days. And with that, we can expect a monthly revenue of around 5 to 5.5 lakh rupees very easily when your business is running in a full-fledged manner. So next slide. So this is a return on investment chart. So as you can see, this is as I told you earlier, this is a very high in demand business. So we have got astounding figures here for fiscal year end, 355% and growing to 600%. And then we might notice a decline, but this business has tremendous potential due to the pandemic, and this is fueling the demand like anything. So some of you might be having the question that what if this pandemic gets over, and what if after a period of 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, we keep on getting very less, we start getting very less calls for this disinfection process. So what next? So though we don't expect this demand to die down, because as I told you, this will be becoming a habit these days, and the hospitals and the food and beverage industries will be continuing with the demand of disinfections. So we expect this to be a steady demand, but still we have also prepared some future prospects wherein there is wherein the market starts to notice a decline in the demand for disinfection. We can easily shift to some different some other avenues wherein we can offer specialized cleaning services, as our brand name suggests, Cleanify. Basically, it's cleaning and disinfection in a single umbrella. So in this, we can provide specialized services like grease trap cleaning. This is a specialized cleaning mechanism which is required for cleaning grease in commercial kitchens, hotels, restaurants, even in hospitals. And for that, it is very high-paying job, because it is a specialized job and it is very much in demand in all the industries. Second is deep cleaning, wherein deep cleaning of home, that is cleaning the premises free from dust as well as from the pathogens. This is deep cleaning. And the third one is clean room cleaning and sterilization. The clean room is required in many industries, ranging from pharma to food, and in hospital, in operation theaters, where clean room is to be maintained, where that room is absolutely free from the pathogens or the microbes and viruses. So this is a pretty much regular demand in food and beverage industries, in lighting industries, in anywhere testing or ideal test setup is required, in water treatment industries. So we can easily associate it with these industry leaders and can offer our regular service with them. Rather, we are already in talks with some leading players in this region, wherein we are maintaining their clean room. Our team is maintaining their cleaning room and conducting sterilization there. And other massive service would be water tank cleaning, as no one really gives attention towards the water tank. That is again a breeding ground for bacteria and viruses, because you keep on filling the water tank and you're consuming the same water. You use that same water for drinking. We are put in the same water for brushing our teeth and all. And after a period of 10-15 days, that water tank of yours is a hotbed of pathogens. So that needs to be cleaned regularly and rather disinfected with food grade chemicals and ultrasonic processes. So this is again a very mass market where I'm sure that everyone has a water tank, and that needs to be cleaned regularly. For that, we need to make the customer aware of the cleaning process and what are the disadvantages they are facing if they are not getting their tanks clean. Again, this would be a very booming market, and a regular market, which would maintain a regular stream of income for our franchisee partners. So these were our future prospects. And so let's discuss, why should you associate with Cleanify? As I have already told you that we have a team of qualified professionals, ranging from business analysts to marketing professionals and to leading doctors in our team as well, who have designed this disinfecting protocol and the safety protocols which our team is following, or rather they are adhering it to religiously. And second thing is, our client base is rapidly growing, and we are not able to cater to the needs of our customers from outside of Delhi region. So to cater to their needs, we need to associate with some partners, and that too very soon, so that they do not take their business elsewhere. So this partnership is required very much these days. So, and third is extremely low onboarding cost. As I already mentioned you that with a very low investment, you can get associated with a brand like ours, wherein we take care of everything, ranging from training of your employees to providing machineries, providing chemicals, training the logistic parts, the marketing, the advertisement support. So we spoon feed you the complete in the complete process. So, and the second other thing is the technical and operational support. We'll be sharing our resources with our franchisee partners, such as the virtual number, wherein you get to track the calls, wherein you get a specialized hotline number, wherein the customers dial in to requesting your services, wherein you can track and monitor the calls and record the calls. You can measure the inflow and outflow of the calls with our softwares. And we also support you with the payment gateways. We provide with multiple payment gateways. With this, the customer can easily pay you online with payment gateways or internet banking and n number of options. So as in this pandemic, people are avoiding cash transactions. So this comes in very handy, the payment gateways. And you can also get we can also book our services through our website, wherein the client has the option to make the early payment as well from our website, and the payment gets transferred to our account, and similarly to will be transferred to our franchisee partners accounts. And last, it is very important, and it is the ease of learning business, because this business requires no prior experience. See, no one was trained for this pandemic, so we have been trained in this very short duration these days. So we can get your manpower ready within a period of couple of days with our online tutorials and live training and virtual training sessions. So in a matter of 3-4 days, we can train your individuals in the use of machines, the use of chemicals, the use of dilution, how to use the machines, how to wear gloves, how to dispose of the gloves, and how to don the PP and remove the PP, and what areas to cover. So in a period of 3-4 days, a person, a complete layman gets skilled with this kind of thing. So no prior experience is required. Any individual with the ability to learn can get trained, rather can attain expertise in a period of couple of days. So that's how easy our plan is, and we have that we have developed along with the team of the professionals from the medical industry. So this comes to the end of our session, and if anyone has any queries, I'm ready to take up the questions right now.
Thank you so much, Saurabh. And friends, if you have any questions, you can put in the Q&A box. While we don't have too much of time to cover everything, but we'll try and pick something which is important. Reiterate, the opportunities in the disinfectant the industry and many other services which are complementary. And Saurabh, I'll pick one question which I think the investment that you talked about is about 10 odd lakhs, which includes the equipment and also the question is now with respect to the business. So we've talked about three the categories. We've talked about industries. We've talked about offices, and we have talked about residential. Now, for a new franchise partner, if we have to segregate, because these are different industries and needs different kind of approach to reach out to them. And if you have to give maybe some tips on which category to focus on, what would that be? And second, my question on the industry, institutions, corporates, would there be any assistance which the company would provide to a franchisee to get associated with?
Definitely, we'll be supporting our franchisees in every way. So we'll be while in the onboarding process, we'll be teaching them how to do the advertisement, how to run the ads, and how to run a local hotline number in the area which they're targeting. And apart from that, as I've already told you, that certain corporates want to associate with us in other parts of the country. So that business will ultimately flow to these franchisee partners who are present in that area. So we'll be helping them out in every possible way.
Sure. And what is
so Sonia ma'am, your audio is breaking down.
Okay, so I'll like to skip it if you're talking about order.
Again, the audio is fluctuating.
Saurabh, just allow me some time. I think she's facing some problem.
Yeah.
you know,
The audio issue seems
over.
to continue. Maybe, ma'am, you can put in a text here because your audio is not up to the mark.
Yeah, Saurabh. So dear friends and Saurabh, just allow us 1 minute. She's
Yeah.
again relogging. I think she's facing some problem. So she'll log in again.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Am I audible? Is it better now?
Yeah, it's absolutely.
Yes, ma'am, it's better now.
Okay.
Thank you.
So actually one question which I wanted to pick, जो हमने business की बात की अपने investors के, अगर उसके ऊपर आप
जी.
कुछ guidelines दे सकते हैं. We talked about 5 lakhs revenue one can make from the business. So ये हमारा typical कितने account एक particular franchise को लेने पड़ेंगे to reach to that volume, and कितना time लगता है उस volume को reach करने के लिए?
So, talking about the volume is directly depend upon the demand in the market. As right now, the situation is you will be overwhelmed by the demand, the inquiries which we are getting these days. But typically, it takes around 1 to 2 months to reach to a level of 3 to 4 lakhs, and in 3 months you will be reaching the level of 5 lakh rupees. But again, a word of caution: you will have to work relentlessly. You should be ready to work 12 to 18 hours a day, because the demands are such these days, and with limited manpower, you have to work multiple shifts. So you have to be really dedicated, and the revenue would come in very easily.
Sure. So आपके कितने accounts, because हमारा दो तरीके का business है. One could also be subscription based, जहाँ पे घर है या कोई आपसे हर महीने subscription based business लेते हैं. And दूसरा हमारा business वो होगा which is, people would call and take these service on a ad hoc basis. तो इन
Yes,
दोनों
yes.
में आइडियल जो आपका रेवेन्यू मिक्स होता है वो कितना होना चाहिए? हाउ मच शुड योर बिजनेस बी सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड, बिकॉज सब्सक्रिप्शन जो होता है वो एक बिजनेस में प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी बिल्ड करता है. सो कितना बिजनेस
Correct.
आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड होना चाहिए, और आइडियली कितने अकाउंट्स होने चाहिए एक फ्रेंचाइजी के पास टू रीच एटलीस्ट ब्रेक इवन?
So ideally, we can split the ratio between 40% and 60%. If you are able to do garner 40% of your business from a subscription model, that's amazing, because herein you have continuous flow of income. For example, we have associated with Taj Hotels here, so we have deputed our manpower there at their premises itself. So it's a regular stream of income. But again, with this pandemic situation right now, we are getting 100 to 200 calls in a day. Rather, we have to deny some certain customers that we cannot cater because the pandemic is spreading like anything. So right now, it seems that the ratio is shifting towards the random calls these days, because the residential demand is very, very high these days. And ideally, portfolio, as we were talking about the subscription-based model, if you have 3-4 big shot customers in your kitty, it's more than enough. Let's say if you have 300-400 room hotels in your kitty, it's more than enough. It will easily give you a revenue of around 2-3 lakh rupees from that itself. Because in this way, we are
with this account also.
Sorry.
हाँ जी, go ahead सौरभ जी, आप बोल रहे थे कुछ?
Yeah, because in the subscription-based model, whether your person is working or not, you are deputing your one or two odd manpower at their site. So it's kind of a annual rate contract with them, and irrespective of the services, they are paying you for the complete property, because your person is sitting there the whole day. And let's say we have deputed a person in a 100-room hotel, so he's there 24/7, or rather the shifts continue 24/7, and whenever guest checks out, there is a immediate need, so the person needs to be there. So it's a regular source of income for us from these hotels and from these factories where our guys are deputed at the premises itself.
Sure. Another important question, which is with respect to the manpower, because manpower also has to be proportionate to the business. जैसे आपने बोला ताज में your teams are deputed. So what is the thumb rule of manpower? How many manpower or how many individuals are linked to an account? So उसका क्या ratio रहता है? And to start off with, what is the manpower one would need?
So ideally, I would recommend to start with 3 to 4 employees. So that is pretty much the initial requirement. And as your business grow, you can further grow it to multiple employees. So हमारे इसमें क्या है कि मतलब to cater to office or a small office or a home, even to for areas up to 5,000 square feet, a single person is enough. He can cater to that area within a span of 1 hour, rather less than that time. And he simply needs to carry a machine in a motorcycle to that specified location. So one person can easily cover area of 5,000 square feet in a period of 1 hour. So that is kind of a thumb rule here.
Sure. And एक आदमी का क्या throughput होता है? If one individual is put on the work, so उनका क्या throughput निकलता है? How many ideally he should be able to cover in a day? चाहे वो residential है या वो corporates, because the size of servicing is bigger in a corporate or maybe a hotel like you mentioned. So क्या एक individual का throughput निकलना चाहिए business?
So ideally, if a individual is able to cover 20,000 square feet in a day, it's more than enough. So that should be the target here. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Very helpful. So I'll take 2-3 questions. I'll take one question from Miss Savita, and she's asking about the machine. So if somebody takes a franchisee, जो machine है, उसकी procurement आप करते हैं, or the franchisee is given the specifications and he has to procure by himself?
No. We'll deliver the machines at the franchisee owner's location itself.
And I'll take 2 questions, which is on the product. I have a question from Mr. Umesh, and he's asking if service, in terms of the services that we do, if the surfaces which are cleaned daily, they still the warranty that we are offering that still holds good, or it changes?
I didn't exactly get the question. So he's asking if the surfaces
right, disinfection services के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं जो हम services offer करें. कोई भी surface अगर clean होता है, which is cleaned, and because these services have surfaces have to be cleaned every day. So जो भी हम service offer करें जो उसकी warranty है, will it hold good even after that, or we change the warranty?
So apart from the 2 premium products of ours, that is the 90-day and the 5-year disinfectant, other services you cannot predict clearly, because if let's say a table has been disinfected and no one is touching for a period of 48 hours, or there is no touch points on that, so that remains clean for as long as duration it is possible. But if a surface comes in contact in a very high frequency, then we cannot really commit, because with the normal disinfection process, ideally it is effective for a couple of hours, and if the surface is untouched and very less frequented, so it may last up to 24 to 48 hours. But we cannot give a claim on that, because it clearly depends upon the frequency of the touch or the contact.
Right. And one motion maybe I'll take एक तो franchise fees के ऊपर है, if the location or the tier is fees, investor asking a question from Mr. Pandey. So he wants to know if the tier is not one, maybe it's not Delhi and corporates or big business. So will our franchise fees and investments still be same for?
Whatever I got to know from your audio, I could not hear completely. So the question is, if I rephrase it, will the franchisee fee go down if the services are required in a tier 2 or tier 3 cities? Is that right?
That's right. Yes.
Yeah. So definitely, yeah. So the franchisee owners have the options to opt in for. So let's say in the franchisee fee, which is around 8-9 lakh rupees. In this, we are offering each and every service ranging from the 5-year disinfectant to the 90-day service. So if the franchisee owner feels that there isn't a premium market for this 5-year thing or the 90-day thing, and he wants to opt in for the regular disinfection only, wherein he's catering to the regular users only with the normal disinfection process, so the franchisee fee can the total fees can go down significantly, because he would not be investing on the premium chemicals and the premium electrostatic machines that we are using for the 90-day process and the 5-year processes. So it will come down drastically. Yeah.
Sure. And lastly, I'll take one question from our partner, Mr. Gagan Atreja. He's asking about the licenses which are required or any kind of registrations which are required at the time of opening.
So as such, there is no set government guidelines, because in India, no one really heard about the name disinfection since the pandemic. So there isn't a licensing body these days for this, or there isn't also a regulatory body for this as well. So, but we do assure that whatever chemicals we are supplying, or whatever machines which we are delivering to our franchisee partners, they carry a certification. As I've already mentioned in the slide, that all our chemicals are US EPA certified, and they meet all the environmental and safety guidelines globally, not in India. They meet these guidelines globally. So that we can assure, and we can definitely share the certification for these chemicals.
Sure, helpful. So, actually, friends, and since we're running out of time, we've taken all the questions that we could, and we also have Mr. Pranav Bharti. He wants to have the entire presentation sent to him, and Pranavji will have the presentation sent across to you, and we'll also line the telephone for a Zoom with Mr. Saurabh Pradhan also. And I will request Saurabhji, before we close, any message that you want to give to everybody who's listening both live and also on the webinar to you.
The only thing I would say here is, though there is a booming market for this, but it's not an easy business. But if you are ready to sacrifice your time and energy, so this is definitely a go-to-do business for you. You can earn, you can multiply your income by several foods with this business, but you have to dedicate yourself for this, because this really strains you out, because in a short duration we are facing huge number of demand. The problem is not with the demand, the problem is with catering to the large demand. And if you're not able to cater to this demand, someone else will take over. Because we have seen in the last month only, we have around 20-25, we have onboarded 10-15 new individuals, because the demand is shooting up like anything, and in short duration managing them, it is a difficult and tedious task. So the demand is there, but you have to be prepared to meet that demand, because the demand is booming, and it really strains you out, and you have to work literally 14-15 hours a day to cater to this demand. Then only you can make a revenue of 300% or 400% very easily. But yeah, the sacrifice of hard labor is to be put in.
Absolutely. So, and just to add on to that, friends, while the cleaning industry in India is growing, and if you compare that with the global standards, our per capita consumption of all cleaning products or sanitization products is very, very low as compared to many other countries. So the case of sanitization economy is becoming very clear now. But at the same time, like Saurabhji also mentioned, this is a business of economies of a scale. So it also takes you to that level, because आपके पहले दूसरे महीने business development के लिए और acquisition of your clients and subscriber is very, very important. And that's where my advice would be that हर एक जो franchise partner है, they put their own time in acquiring these clients. So पहले 2 या 3 महीने आपके लिए बहुत important in acquisition of these clients. So ये आपके subscriber group बनेगा, and that is what will bring a lot of predictability in the ongoing business. So thank you Saurabh ji. And Ashna, can we confirm कोई भी एक ऐसा दिन जो हम choose करके अपने investors को बता सकते हैं, where we can get the calls aligned with prospective investors?
Yes, ma'am. So yesterday we have set 26th of May, which is Wednesday with Saurabh ji. He's available on 26th of May, Wednesday for Discovery Day.
Sure. So friends, this is 26th of May, which is next week. We'll align your calls, Zoom calls with Saurabh ji. And also if you want to have more understanding kya equipment hai, all that information can be shared with you. And in the meantime, our teams will also send you the entire presentation financials, which you can go through to be prepared for the call. And this is the hotline number that you see in the chat box. So we've just put that for you, which is 9717683838. आप इस नंबर पे reach out कर सकते हैं. And we'll fix your call for next week, Wednesday, with Saurabh ji. So thank you so much, Saurabh ji, for being with us this afternoon for presenting the business opportunity to our investors. And I will also now request Ashna for her closing remarks and advising on the subsequent webinars that we have for today and tomorrow.
Sure. So thank you so much, Saurabh, for sparing time today. Our best wishes for you. Thank you so much, Saurabh, ma'am. Dear participants, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope we have provided you the relevant information. Still, you want to have more information, please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176 83838. We request you to save this number in your phone book so that you get a regular updates from our site. Do visit us at different social handles platform. We are available at Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as Facebook. You can also go and see the video library we have created for each one of you, where all the previously done webinar submits, they're available on Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. Also connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And today, under 30 days, 30 cities show, we are inviting you to join us for Hyderabad chapter, which will start at 7 p.m., where our aim is to bring top 5 business opportunities for you. So please do registration at the same business hotline number for 7 p.m. show. And tomorrow it's a International Tea Day, and we are launching the leading tea brand Jikoi Tea tomorrow under our business opportunity over chai webinar series, where the team would come and talk about the great the business opportunity they have got for you. So please do registration for tomorrow's business opportunity over chai webinar series, 12 p.m. show at same business hotline number, so that you get a confirmation mail from our side. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a safe day. Thank you so much. Stay safe.